And that's it. You have successfully completed the installation of Ubuntu 18.04. Now we can begin the installation of ROS Melodic. Now open up the terminal and web browser. I'll be referencing from ROS Wiki to install ROS Melodic. Installing ROS is quite easy. Before entering the commands into the terminal, it is important to read the subheadings above the commands in order to understand each command. Please take your time in installing, and most importantly, understand what you entered. To copy a command into the terminal, use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+Shift+V in order to paste that command.